Hi there, this is John from ELSA 2024. I'm going to show you how to download the Sched app from the Play Store. The ELSA 2024 Sched app is the main method of communication at this point for the ELSA 2024 conference. You are going to need to log into this to find out the most up-to-date information about sessions and also to sign up for sessions or services or social events that you want to join. The first step of using the ELSA 2024 Sched app is to go ahead and download the Sched app itself. So you can do that by going to the Play Store. You can type in Sched, and what you want to look for is the little astronaut. Here you see the astronaut?
Yeah.
So you're going to just click it. Okay, once you have installed it, then you're just going to open it. And you see the little astronaut come up, and then you need to search for the event. So the event is ELSA. You can just type in ELSA, that's going to be enough, and then you will see ELSA 2024 there. Just click it. Okay, and there you have the Sched ELSA 2024. You can scroll down and you can see all the sessions. They are color-coded. I'll go over what that means a little bit later. Okay, this has been video 1 of a 3 or 4-part video tutorial series on how to use the ELSA 2024 Sched app. This video has talked about how to download the app and how to find the ELSA 2024 Sched.